West Side fish story. It's a rumble. Bout 3, Lutefisk versus Gefilte. And it's August 4th, 2021. I added a bunch of fine tip, felt tip pen doodle Gefiltes and Lutefisk. I'll point them out. Here, 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 up there, over there, there, going different directions, there, 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 there. I also filled in some of the diamond-shaped, all of the diamond-shaped rubber stamps that were empty. I drew eyes in them. Alright, oh, there's more over there. And at least one of these fish is about to devour one of those eyes. Alright, there you have it. This is going, if the recipients like it, they'll be going into the His Grace Lord Brooke Rolston and Lady Mary Rolston's Fine Art Collection in the Wallingford District in Seattle. If they don't like it, maybe they'll give it to the building and they can hang it at the authorities. The fish specialists will hang it up somewhere in the building. Alright, there you have it.